Hello my loves, today we are starting this vlog shopping in the Miami Design District.
Good morning, 다시 날이 밝아 당연하게 늦추어지진 않더라.
The store that I am at right now, it's Zimmermann, and we need to pick up a few things for my Christmas holidays and my New Year plans.
So nice. No, that's not nice. I would not wear that.
That is beautiful.
I will definitely not wear
Or
that.
like this one, it's gorgeous.
That's nice.
That's beautiful.
This is cool.
This is so beautiful. So cute. This is cute, but this dress color is like, whoa, it's too much.
Depends, you know, what if you're a blonde chick, it's nice.
Farfetch
No,
Black
that's
looks
the
like
old
an
lady. That's nice, but it's too like oldish.
It's the other resort.
Yeah, but things I like you don't like. That's very cute, yeah. Maybe choose that.
That is beautiful. Wait, because they have more resort stuff on the back.
Yeah, they have
And
a lot.
like the fall stuff is over there. It's beautiful. This is like for that boat life, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That boat life? That yacht life. This is so beautiful. This I love, and they have this in the off-white one. This I want. This one I really want. Look at the sleeves on this. This dress is beautiful, but it's a little bit. This is a 1, and even though it fits perfectly here, it's like I can't put up my arms. So I think that I need to go a size up. This one, the color is beautiful. It's a size 2, so it's a bit big. So I really think that I am a size 1. They don't have this in a 1, and they don't have it in black. I'm a 1 in black. Lunch date before she leaves me tomorrow. She's leaving. Oh, you look so pretty there.
Hola mi gente hermosa, hello to all my beautiful people. In today's video, we are going to be doing a vlogmas. This is going to be a little mixture of a vlog and a sit-down video. Part of this video is going to be a paid-for advertorial with Farfetch. Thank you so much, Farfetch, for working with me on this video. Most of the time I'm shopping online and using my own money. However, when I have the opportunity to work with Farfetch, I love it because this is the only online retailer that really has saved me so much ever since I moved back to the United States from Europe. I used to find it so difficult to find beautiful, well-crafted European clothes here in the United States. It was just really hard to find really nice craftsmanship clothes for me here. My favorite brands are international. I am in love with Zimmermann, which is Australian. I cannot get enough of Chateau Ruiz, which is from Spain. My favorite shoe brands are Italian. The main gist with Farfetch is that they work with boutiques from all over the world. It's all in one place, and you can order from them and they will ship to you. This is something that I love. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you. I went a little bit crazy, to be honest. I bought a lot of things in Farfetch right now because, 1, I haven't shopped in a really long time for myself since like summer, beginning of summer. And 2, because they have a massive sale going on right now. It's their Black Friday sale, which you have huge discounts on designer clothing on their website. And here I'm going to write my code, which is MLSAVE. With this code, you can get $40 off regular price items when you spend $500, and you can also stack it with the already existing sales. So let's dive right in because I have so many things to show you. Right here behind me, I have all the pieces that have already arrived. I tried them on for you. I'm going to be inserting cuts here. Then I have the FedEx guy that just arrived with another one of their packages. We're gonna open up this one together. And there are a couple of pieces that I ordered that still haven't arrived. This is really where Farfetch always saves me, because for me, for some reason, it's really hard to find my size in the local stores. I will go in and I will see so many beautiful pieces that I like, special from Zimmermann. I love Zimmermann. They never have my size, but I can always get it on Farfetch. So you guys take really advantage of this. Let me show you all these beautiful pieces. The first piece I'm going to show you is this gorgeousness. This is made in a beautiful linen. This shirt is simply exquisite, and I'm going to show you. Inside, it comes with a camisole. I am going to be going to St. Barth now in December, and this is a piece that I can wear and always look put together. I can wear this with shorts, I can wear this with jeans, I can wear this with white pants, and it looks incredible. I mean, I have not seen these many beautiful shirts in my life. Look at the buttons on this shirt. Every single detail has been taken care of. The appliques, the buttons, the linen, it's just such a beautiful piece. Look at the craftsmanship and the lace detail on the pocket. Honestly, Zimmermann has knocked this one out of the ballpark. It's absolutely beautiful. I took it in a size 1. The next piece I got are a pair of shorts from Zimmermann. High-waisted, all in lace. There's a cover inside, but please look at this. How stunning are they? Look at the craftsmanship and all the detail on the buckle. I am obviously going to try them on for you, but this is a piece that looks incredible together with the shirt. And then also I can wear this alone with flats, with another just plain white shirt. I can wear it with a white t-shirt. Whatever it is, you just want to make sure that whenever you're getting pieces, these are pieces that are going to be very versatile, and you're going to be able to wear them with a lot of other things. The next piece I'm going to show you is by Charo Ruiz. And in case you are new to my channel, I am obsessed with Charo Ruiz. I have so many of her dresses. It's beautiful cotton with lace, and the details on each dress are so feminine. I will make sure to link other videos where I am wearing Charo Ruiz dresses from this season, and these dresses are massively discounted right now on Farfetch. So if you liked them from my previous videos, this is really the chance for you to get them at an incredible price. So this white dress from Charo Ruiz that I am wearing, I saw this in the summer when I went to Ibiza, and I really wanted it, but it was a little bit expensive. But now I am getting it almost like 40% off with this sale that's going on. So obviously I had to get it. I love it. I love it so much. I can wear it alone. I can wear it with the denim jacket over it. I can wear it with espadrilles. I can wear it with flats. It's just something that I am going to wear on and on and on and on. And I can appreciate if a lot of you don't live in a warm weather climate like I live in Miami. However, I love to shop the sale for next summer or next spring, just because these are classic pieces that you're always going to be reaching for. And what you want to make sure is that you always look really beautifully dressed and put together. Now, my next piece is also from Charo Ruiz, and I am wearing it right now. I am a little bit under the weather, so if I sound a little bit stuffy, it's because I am. Let's open up this box. These are Giuseppe Zanotti's, also massive discount. I've wanted these shoes for a while, but I was like, I don't know, can I actually pay that much? And now when I got the notification, they came from Giuseppe Zanotti, Italy. I mean, come on guys, these shoes were almost $1,000 and I got them for $567. Exactly. They are fabulous. Fabulous. They are fabulous. And I got them in a couple different colors. Look at this insanely beautiful platform. So the thing is that this looks like it's very high, right? But in reality, it's not. Look at the real drop here. Your foot is just barely slanted a little bit because it has this platform here. So this is one of those perfect heels where you get a lot of height and you're very, very comfortable. Because for me, it's really hard to wear heels where my feet don't hurt at the end of the day. But these ones, like, wow, the craftsmanship on this shoe is amazing. Parmigiato sole. Wow, these are stunning. And I love that this adjusts around the ankles.
All right, let's show you some items that still haven't arrived. So this is my black beach kaftan that I'm wearing right now. This is the white dress that I just showed you right now. It's $221. This white dress, I have it in nude color, and the white one is to die for. I got it in white and black. This long floral print dress, I've seen it on. It's incredible. I got one for me and one for my mom. It's super cheap, $291. This was like 700 euros when I saw it in the summer, and it's current season. I got the black tulle dress in size 1, and then Zimmermann has these wraparound silk dresses that come in so many different colors and they look amazing. It's short and long. Right now, some of the colors are on sale. I got the black and the white one that wraps around in the short version, but some of you might like the longer version. So they really have this in every color. You should really take advantage of this. This is just such a great dress that just falls and it drapes on you like butter.
Again, my code is MLSAVE. I'm going to put it right here on the screen. All the information is going to be linked in the description box below. I'm going to link all the items that I have shown you in this video, and I'm also going to link below the items that I got that still have not arrived. Take advantage of this massive sale they have going on right now. Plus, you can stack my code on top of it. And please let me know in the comment section below, what was your favorite item? I see you guys in my next video. I hope all of you are having a wonderful, wonderful Christmas and just happy holidays to all of you. Bye.